What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install RAM on a MacBook, new RAM. So first thing you're going to want to do is turn off the device. Alright, now what we're going to do is unscrew these screws on the back of the MacBook with a Phillips head, or just just any type of screwdriver will work. You got to get just small enough to fit in the small screws. Alright, so it doesn't really matter what order you take them off in. Just start unscrewing. Okay, and now that you've unscrewed all the screws, make sure to put them in a safe place where they won't get misplaced. Now, the right here and right here on the MacBook, I don't know about the MacBook Pros, but on MacBooks, they have like little clamps on the inside, so if it doesn't come off right away, don't be like scared that you did something wrong or scared to pull it off, because they're just little clamps and they won't hurt your MacBook when you pull them off. So gotta get a good grip. See, they just pop off. Don't be worried. Oh, I forgot a screw. Wow. Do not do that. That will hurt your MacBook. Gosh, I cannot believe I forgot it. Alright. And then there goes the other one. So make sure to not touch any of the battery parts or anything, because it could be hot. But now what you're going to want to do is so the RAM is right here. It's this two green chips. So what you're going to want to do is pull these out to the side, and the RAM should gently pop up, and just pull the two cards of RAM out and set them aside. Pull the other one up as well, using the same process. Now the other one, the bottom one, can be kind of sticky. I don't know if it's like that on all MacBooks, but on mine it is. So just kind of gotta put some effort in it. So there goes that. Now I'm gonna take my RAM. You can find RAM anywhere for MacBooks. Just go under your preferences. I mean, not your preferences. Go click on the Apple up at the top of the screen and choose about this Mac, and it'll tell you what RAM. It'll even give you a link to show you how to install this RAM, and to show you what RAM to buy for your MacBook. So what you're going to want to do is let's see, line this pin, this little notch, up with the notch inside here. So just kind of slide it in the notch between the two little connector places and push it down. So there goes that one. Then take your other RAM, take it out, and there you go. It should kind of click, and there you go. You've installed your RAM. Now just put this back on and make sure the two things clamp down on each side. Reinstall your screws and you're done. Thank you. If this video was helpful, please like or favorite, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.